Let's give you a quick overview of how I installed some lights and a light mounting bar as well as some light switches on my 2013 Crosstrek. So up front I have an SSD Performance Light mounting bar and two sets of rigid Industries Dually lights. The first set on the outside with the amber lens covers, those are SAE Fog Lights. The white lights that I have mounted on the middle, those are rigid Radiance Dually LED lights. They are a white LED with an amber backlighting. I have the amber wired into the parking light, so anytime the ignition is turned on, the amber backlighting lights up. And then the white light, I never use those after dark because they are too bright and it's kind of a spot pattern. The wiring for all of the lights goes up behind the bumper, and then I routed that when I had this bumper cover off when I installed that SSD light bar. So all of the wires are routed back there behind the headlight, down low, and then they come up here, sorry about the messy battery, and they are routed inside here. And they are powered directly from the battery, and these wire harnesses have relays in them. And then I just have everything kind of tucked right there, zip tied together a little bit, and then there's a nice hole in the firewall. There's a grommet there, so I just poked the hole bigger in that grommet and then routed all the wires through to the inside. On the inside, what I did was bought a second fuse panel cover. I found that on eBay, and it's a same color match. And then my switches are inside. The lights that I bought, they included wire harnesses with a switch, and that's what we've got here. Some of the switches I did change out to a different color LED. This one's not used. I haven't installed a third set of lights. This one is yellow, that one lights up blue. We'll turn on the ignition here. So I have them oriented where the light is at the bottom. Push the switch up and the light turns on, indicating that the lights are on. And all of these are ignition activated, so when I turn the car off, I don't have to turn off my lights. I can leave the switches on. So one of those sets of lights I typically leave on for daytime running lights.